Museum of History of Lithuanian Medicine and Pharmacy in Kaunas, Lithuania. The Museum of the History of Lithuanian Medicine and Pharmacy is located in a restored 16th century building at the Town Hall Square in the old town of Kaunas, Lithuania. It moved to its current location in 1987, although its history dates to 1936. Alphonsus Kykaris, a professor of pharmacy, is credited as the founder of the museum. His personal collection formed the basis of its holdings. The Lithuanian Pharmacists Union worked to collect materials as well. It is sponsored by Kaunas University of Medicine. The museum's permanent collection consists of the belongings of Lithuanian doctors, pharmacists, and hospitals, along with medical and pharmaceutical implements and documents. Pharmacy History Exposition. To the exhibition shows 19th mentury and to 20th century Lithuanian town pharmacy. At that time there were a few pharmacy rooms: Officina, Coctoria, stock room of medicinal materials, a laboratory, a cellar. Officina has been used as sale room and reception room for customers. The shelves of officinas are full of old drugs, medicine, nursing and hygiene measures. Coctoria too has been used as room, where pharmacists used to produce infusions and decoctions, to wash and dry dishes, to distill water. Materialia too has been used as room for keeping reserves of various raw materials including poisonous and violently acting stuff. Laboratory too has been used to produce patent medicines and other products such as aromatic waters, oils, tablets, and etc. There one can enjoy the scenes of prehistory of medicine and pharmacy to watching exhibition stands arranged with great inventiveness and authenticity, presenting a shaman curing a baby as well as a Lithuanian sorceress. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.